Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best espresso machines for beginners, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best espresso machine for beginner options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which beginner espresso machine is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Barista Touch and Press, best espresso machine for beginner. It's no secret that Breville wants to come out tops in the world of at-home espresso brewing. The Breville Barista Touch and Press certainly elevates the art of brewing at home. And all for $1,499.95. Quite hefty, you might say, but you'll soon see why. This improved version of the Breville Barista Express and Press has an integrated burr grinder and UV-proof bean hopper. A pretty neat setup for enjoying fresher beans and coffee for longer. Another thing I love about this semi-automatic machine is its patented puck and press system. It consistently dispenses an ideal dose with assisted 22-pound tamping pressure. This, in addition to pre-infusion settings and a 54mm portafilter, ensures the perfect shot. I must also mention the energy-saving thermojet heating system. These features ensure efficient water heating and a consistent brew at optimal temperature. And because it can froth milk automatically and has a hot water dispenser, you can make a wide range of espresso drinks. This beauty will have you brewing everything from latte and cappuccinos to Americanos and long blacks. Add to this the long list of high-quality accessories. I must say, for the price, the Aussies went all out. So what's my take on the Breville Touch and Press? In my humble opinion, it's one of the best beginner espresso machines on the market, despite being the only machine on our list over the $1,000 mark. Just don't get this semi-automatic machine if you prefer OCD-level control over your espresso prep. Number 2. Gaggia Classic Pro, best beginner espresso machine. Gaggia is a verifiable Italian legend when it comes to espresso makers. They have been perfecting this game since 1938. The Gaggia Classic Pro, priced at an affordable $499, continues this proud tradition. This updated version of the Gaggia Classic is perfect for beginners and experts alike. It has a durable stainless steel construction with a range of color finishes. The user interface with identifiable switches, steam wand knob, and indicator light is highly intuitive. However, you may have to do a bit of temperature surfing to get the brewing temp. It may take a while to master, but at least you'll get superior shots with nuanced flavors. While the Gaggia Classic Pro may not have a double boiler system, its 58mm portafilter with a single wall basket will have you brewing like a top-tier barista. It also has a removable drip tray that ensures easy cleaning. And because the water reservoir is a decent size, refilling between brews isn't a worry. In conclusion, the Gaggia Classic Pro is a home espresso machine with prosumer credentials. All the pro features and extras got my attention. This is the machine to get if the Italian classics mean something to you. Number 3. Calphalon Temp IQ, best espresso machine for beginner. The Calphalon Temp IQ is one for the budget conscious. Coming in at $499.99, its price is nearer to that of portable espresso machines. I really like its sleek stainless steel exterior and decent water reservoir. This capacity makes it one of the best espresso machines for beginners with small households. The cafe-size 58mm portafilter with a double-wall filter basket allows for even extraction. Other features that make this a standout machine include its thermal block heater, PED temp controls, and pre-infusion settings. These all contribute to a sweet and cream-alicious shot. The 4-knob settings, single shot, double shot, hot water, and steam also make this beauty easy to use and clean. What's more, the manufacturer includes a small milk pitcher, so there is no need to buy one. You can get this espresso machine in 2 versions, with or without a built-in grinder. If you have overhead cabinets or prefer grinding your own coffee, I'd recommend the model without. Overall, the Calphalon Temp IQ is the perfect espresso maker for under $500. Despite its bulky size, its durability and ease of use make it a great choice. Number 4. Breville Bambino Plus, best beginner espresso machine. As I mentioned before, Breville espresso machines are gunning for the top home espresso machine position. With this Breville Bambino Plus, they do not disappoint. This mid-range semi-automatic machine certainly has the requisite features for its price point. It features a 54mm portafilter in keeping with its size, a decent tamper, and a range of accessories. One of my top picks for the best espresso machine for beginners, the Bambino Plus has an intuitive user interface. This semi-automatic machine also has identifiable brewing buttons, steam wand engagement, and detailed programming instructions for making coffee. In addition, much of this machine's functionality is automatic. This includes a double-walled filter basket that guarantees a crema to die for and adequate volumetric controls for a single or double shot. This beauty also has an auto-brewing feature, excellent PED controls, and wait for it, a steam wand that froths milk automatically. Not bad for $499.95. What's more, because this Bambino, see what I did there, uses a thermojet heating system, It'll heat up in under 5 minutes, saving you energy costs. Worth it, right? It is in my book, especially if you're just learning how to make espresso. Number 5, DeLonghi Dedica Deluxe, best espresso machine for beginner. The DeLonghi Dedica Deluxe is a compact espresso machine, but at the competitive price point of $234, can you complain? Because of its size, this espresso machine understandably features a small removable water reservoir. Notably, the user interface is very far from what you'd get with super automatic espresso machines. It features 3 buttons for single and double shots, steaming, and a dial for engaging the frothing wand. The 51mm portafilter is smaller as expected. I must mention that it has a double-walled filter basket, which I don't really like. However, I do like the precise volumetric controls. This functionality allows you to control the amount of coffee yield you get. But whatever you do, don't go gaga over the 15 bar pressure specification. You should note that this is the pump's maximum output, not the machine's inbuilt capabilities. When it comes to temperature controls, I may have a slight bone to pick with this beginner espresso machine. Although it uses the thermoblock heating system for quick brewing, the temperature may still not be hot enough for some. To compensate for this, the espresso maker offers an upgraded Panarello steam wand that allows users to select for various espresso drinks. It's perfect for those who prefer a steaming mug of coffee straight out the pipe. Number 6. Philips 3200 Latego, best beginner espresso machine. If you want a super automatic espresso machine and a lower budget, the Philips 3200 is an excellent option. The front loading system makes it easy to use. The water tank, drip tray, and coffee puck container are all accessible from the front and easy to maintain. AquaClean water filter is another feature that makes the Philips 3200 easy to use. If you brew 2 cups a day, you'll have to descale the espresso machine after 5,000 cups, which is about 7 years. This machine can make up to 5 different espresso drinks and hot water. You can choose which drink you want from the touchscreen display. There are also some customization options. Select your preferred strength and volume. Philips 3200 got its name from the Latego milk system. This is an automatic milk frothing system. There's a carafe that you fill with milk and attach to the machine. Choose the froth level you want, press a button, and the machine will froth the milk for you and automatically pour it into your cup. There aren't any tubes that you have to detach and clean. However, the frother only creates dense foam. There's no microfoam for latte art. Philips 3200 has a built-in ceramic flat burr grinder with 12 sizes. The grinder is high quality and will last for years. Number 7. Gaggia Brera, best espresso machine for beginner. Gaggia Brera is the best super automatic espresso machine for beginners and our favorite from Gaggia. You can press a button and have a quality espresso ready in less than a minute. The interface makes the machine easy to use and gives you customization options. You can choose how many beans you want, program the cup size, and decide between 3 coffee strength options. It has 2 spouts, so you can brew 2 espressos simultaneously. Brera has a rapid steam function, which gets the machine ready to brew in only 10 seconds. The ceramic burr grinder has 5 settings. This is much less compared to Barista Touch, but Brera also has a more affordable price tag. There's also a bypass doser for pre-ground coffee, which comes in handy when you want a decaf coffee drink. The steam wand is a manual stainless steel Panarello, which means you can't get milk-based drinks with a press of a button. You have to steam the milk yourself, so there's a learning curve. Brera's wand can make decent foam, but not the fine microfoam needed for lattes and latte art. Brera is quiet and compact, so its components, drip tray, bean hopper, and water reservoir are on the smaller side. The water tank is 40 Oz, which is decent and lets you pull several shots. However, you'll have to refill often if you use the steam wand a lot.